everyone, I'm Miss Bea, and I'm a speech therapist assistant. Today, I'm going to give you a couple ideas on how you can target the VB-MAPP Intraverbal goal, Level 2, Number 8. This goal is completing 25 different fill-in-the-blank phrases, and that does not include social games or songs. So let's see how we can do that together. You throw, eh? You sleepin', eh? You eat, eh? Did you guys fill in the blanks with those? That's what we want our kids to do. And the end goal is for them to do it without a visual. But sometimes these can be a little hard. So sometimes they need a little help. So this particular therapy material we have created to help them reach this goal. And we want them to start off with a visual of pictures or icons, and I'll give you another option afterwards if you can't have access to this material, which we have available for download. And it's really neat because you can just put on here, at first it's best to start with a lower field, and eventually you can fill this all up with these icons and ask those fill in the blank statements. So you're going to say, you drink A, give them a visual cue if they need it. You kick A, and we want them to say ball. We want them to finish that statement before they pick the ball. And if you need to, cover it up before they can take it. You pet A. We want them to say cat before they can take off that cat. You lick A. We want them to say ice cream before they take off this ice cream. And this, as they get the hang of it, then you can add more icons to this. So as they get really good at doing a field of 4, you can add a field of 6 on here, and so forth until it's all filled up. And they can answer all those fill-in-the-blank questions from a field of 12. Now, another way you can target this goal is by using just play items you have at the house. Car, a phone, little toy chair, a camera, whatever you have that they actually use in real life every day or even play with. And so you're going to have a couple of these out. Remember, start off with a small field at first until they get the hang of it, and then you can start increasing the field. So you're going to say, you brush your teeth with, we want them to say toothbrush or approximate, and then they can have it. And then we can practice together, pretend. You sit in a, and we want them to say chair. That's right, you sit in a chair. And so on. You can do it with a phone, play phone. You talk on the phone. That's right, you talk on the phone. Another fun way to target this goal is using everyday things that you do all day long. So before going to bed, you can say you sleep in a, and they get to say bed before we go to bed. We brush our teeth with, before brushing our teeth, toothbrush, before they get to be handed the toothbrush. So incorporate it in everyday life, and you don't have to take a whole lot of time to do it, just a little bit here and there until they get the hang of it and they can fill in that blank statement all by themselves. And if you need any ideas, please let us know. We can give you guys some questions, fill in the blanks questions that we ask all day in school. Thank you.